Hi, I'm Matthew Allison here to practice flute with you. This week we're going to focus on the Essential Elements for Bands book. And today we're going to do numbers 14 through 19. Beginning with number 14, rolling along. Let me first demonstrate. So at this point, just reading the note names might be a challenge. Let's practice saying the note names together and finger along on the flute while you do so. Ready? Slowly. D, C, B flat, C, D, 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 C, 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 D, F, F, D, C, B flat, C, D, 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 C, C, D, C, B flat. Now let's try counting the rhythm. These are all quarter notes, and it is in 4/4. So let's make sure that when there is a rest on beat 4, we inhale in the silence. Counting together. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now let's try playing it together. I'm going to set the metronome to quarter note equals 60 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, go. Wonderful. Let's try that again a little faster, but first let's make sure that we're tonguing the repeated notes, especially in the second measure, the D, D, D. Think two, 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 strong T sounds. Try blowing against your hand just to make sure you can feel the air. You try it? Listen again for how much air you hear. And we'll apply that when we're playing the flute. So now the same tune again, number 14 rolling along, a little faster. This is quarter note equals 72 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's move down to number 17, hot cross buns. So hot cross buns focuses on both quarter notes and half notes rhythmically. So each half note is going to get 2 clicks from the metronome, or 2 beats of the measure. First, let me demonstrate the tune. And this is another great tune for us to practice that strong two, 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 using the tongue to articulate the repeated notes. First, let's say the note names, beginning on the D, and together. 1, 2, ready, go. D, C, B flat, D, C, B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, C, 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 D, C, B flat. Now let's count the rhythms. When I have a half note, I'm going to say the first number of it and not the second. So I'm going to think all four. Let me demonstrate. 1, 3, 1. 1, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 1. That way it still sounds like the tune that I'm playing. And as we move into more advanced rhythms, singing the rhythms through the music will help you learn it a little bit better because you'll be feeling the music the entire time. Let's try that together and a little bit slower. 1, 2, counting rhythms. 1, 3, 1. 1, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 1. Now let's try playing it together. Again, back with a metronome. Quarter note equals 60. Quite slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's try it a little faster. This is quarter note equals 72. 1, 2, ready, go. Next, let's move to number 18. Go Tell Aunt Rhody. Again, let me demonstrate the tune first. Let's practice saying the note names and fingering along. Go Tell Aunt Rhody. 1, 2, note names. D, D, C, B flat, B flat, C, C, E flat, D, C, B flat, F, F, E flat, D, D, C, E flat, D, C, B flat. Now let's try counting the rhythms, and I'm going to turn the metronome back on for this. We have half notes and quarter notes. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now let's try playing it together. Quarter note set to 60. 1, 2, ready, go. And again, playing the same tune, just a little bit faster. 1, 2, ready, go. I hope this has been fun, and join us next time when we work on the next page of Essential Elements. Have fun today and go out and practice flute.